Hi, welcome to Ransom Spares. In this video, Kevin's going to run through some of the common parts that you'll find on a washing machine, all available on the Ransom Spares website. Starting with door handles, door trims, that's the outer door trims and the inner door trims, door hinges and related parts, door glass bowls, dispenser drawers and handles, dispenser drawer housings, front fascia panels and control knobs, bottom kick strips, water inlet valves, pressure switches, door interlocks, door seals, hoses, tubs, drum paddles or drum lifters, heater elements, belts, motors, drain pumps, and control modules and timers. This is just some of the more common parts that can be found on your washing machine. All these parts plus many more are available from the Ransom Spares website. Thanks for watching.